What's up, crochet besties? This is Delight, and today I'm going to show you how to front post double crochet. I am starting out with a swatch of just plain regular double crochets. If you don't know how to do it, I have a video on how to make this swatch and practice your double crochets, so go back and watch that first. It's linked in the description box below. So once you've got some double crochets or you've got something going, you need to have some type of foundation before you can do a front post double crochet. So here I've got a few here to kind of show you what it starts to look like, but I'll do it some more in slow motion for you. So first of all, you need to understand what the post means. And so if I was just going to go along here and do a regular double crochet, I would be putting my hook through right here at the top of the last double crochet in the row below it. But when I'm doing front post, I'm going to be making my stitch around the post of the stitch below it, not in top of it. So this is the post down here. And that's how you want to put your hook through when you're doing front post. But since it's a double crochet, you actually want to wrap your yarn around first, then put it through underneath. So it's called front post. The post is in the front. I actually got confused when I was trying to make this video because you actually put your hook behind the post, but the post is in front of the hook. That's why it's front post. Okay, so then from there, it's just a regular double crochet. The only difference between this and a regular double crochet is where you are positioning the stitch. So it actually makes your stitch a lot shorter than, so here's the post again. So your stitch, when you do front post double crochet, your stitch is a lot shorter than when you do a regular double crochet because you're putting almost like half an inch or quarter of an inch down below when you go around the front post. So that's what it starts to look like. And it's cool. It doesn't look like too much right now, but it's cool when you look at the back side. You can see that you've got this interesting ridge happening here. And that's really what can make a lot of interesting textures and different things with front post double crochet. So I'm just going to keep going and show you what it looks like when I do a whole row. And then I'll be showing you a little sample of what's possible when you do front post and back post double crochets together. Here's what a whole row of front post double crochet looks like. Again, you can see that it is shorter than a regular double crochet stitch. And here is what the back side looks like. We've got this cool ridge sticking up here. So that is what it is. Usually you're going to be using front post double crochet along with back post double crochet. And here's just some inspiration for you on something cool that you can create with it. This is a beanie with a little pom-pom at the top. And this right here down at the bottom, this is a combination of front post and back post double crochet. So it has this texture of up and down and up and down and up and down. So that's pretty fun. I really like how that looks. And I have a separate video on how to do back post double crochet. It's very similar to front post. It's just reversed. So this is the kind of stuff you can make if you want to try out this beanie. I will link up the pattern down below. And that is how you do a front post double crochet. I hope this helps. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.